Congratulations on being selected to take a Pinsight simulation. Whether you're participating as part of a hiring process or development program, the simulation gives you an opportunity to clearly demonstrate your leadership skills and capabilities. During the simulation, you will be taking on the role of a busy leader during their first day in a challenging new job and are expected to dive right into a series of important projects, tasks, and meetings. To help you put your best foot forward, we've compiled our top 5 tips for how to do well in your Pinsight assessment. Tip number 1, give yourself enough time to prepare. People who practice and prepare feel calmer, more confident, and often perform better on the day of the simulation. During practice mode, you have access to documents with background information you will need to refer to during the simulation. Practice mode gives you a chance to get comfortable with the platform too. Schedule time for yourself to prepare and practice a few days before your simulation. During practice mode, you can practice sending test emails, recording video messages, and opening documents. Be sure to spend time reviewing all documents in the My Files section. These files have key information about the company and your new role that are important for the simulation activities. Practice mode is available until 15 minutes before the start of your scheduled simulation. Tip number 2, start working right away. One of our most commonly asked questions is, how do I get started? At the time of your scheduled simulation, log into the Pinsight platform. You'll have emails, documents, projects, and important decisions waiting for you. Start working right away. Additional emails and tasks will arrive in your inbox throughout the simulation, so check your inbox regularly. It's possible an urgent meeting invitation will arrive with only 15 minutes notice. Tip number 3, communicate your thoughts and decisions. A successful leader keeps people informed of important decisions and builds relationships with valuable colleagues at work. The same is true during the simulation. You will have access to contact information for key employees and business partners in the Contacts section of the simulation. You can send email messages as well as leave a video voicemail for any contact by clicking the telephone icon next to their name. Respond to messages in your inbox and send proactive messages to important colleagues or clients about key issues. Remember, do not expect a response to your messages. You will never receive any responses to your outgoing emails or voicemails during the simulation. Tip number 4, complete all of your tasks and projects. If you leave issues unresolved, you lose the opportunity to demonstrate your leadership skills in action. While the simulation may feel very busy and fast-paced, try to handle all issues and complete all tasks before your time expires. Even if you would prefer to have more information from others, it is important you submit your best ideas during your simulation based on the information you have available. Do not skip any meetings or postpone any activities until later. Tip number 5, explore Pinsight's additional resources. Pinsight has additional resources that may be helpful as you prepare for your simulation. Take time to review these helpful resources before the day of your simulation. 1. Pinsight's knowledge base answers questions about the technology, the simulation, and a range of other topics. 2. Use the chat feature during the simulation to chat with a live person and get immediate help with any technology questions. We hope this video has provided insight about how to best prepare for your upcoming simulation. Our best advice is to approach this opportunity as you would every business situation. 1. Organize your time. 2. Work through each scenario. 3. Complete all tasks and projects as assigned. And 4. Use this as an opportunity to demonstrate your skills as a leader. Good luck!